In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect It Takes Two on the Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the three main ways to connect and play It Takes Two on your Nintendo Switch. You will be able to do this if you have someone over and both of you are playing on the same Nintendo Switch. You will be able to do this if your friend has an additional Nintendo Switch console that they want to use to play with you while having your own Switch console, and you will have the third and last option where you can do online co-op. So if you two are far away, you will still be able to play through online co-op. So first, for couch co-op, this is going to be the most straightforward option. Each player simply needs a controller, and this can be a Switch Pro controller, for example, or any sort of separate controller, or if you don't have additional controllers, you will be able to take apart the Joy-Cons and use the left Joy-Con as player 1's controller and the right Joy-Con as player's 2 controller. And when you set these up, when you go over to the home screen of the Switch and you choose the controllers and sensors options, you will be able to assign them to each player and open the game. Choose the couch co-op option and you should be good to go after assigning these controllers to player 1 and player 2. Local wireless, like I mentioned, allows you to play as long as both of you are on the same Wi-Fi network, which means that each of you will need your own Nintendo Switch system. Just go over to this option, make sure that the Switch is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and you should be able to find each other nearby. Alternatively, online co-op will allow you to play with your friends if you two are far away. Just go over to that option and you will be able to manage your friends and invite them by using their ID from their EA account. Provided both of you have your own Switch consoles and the game owned, you will be able to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect It Takes Two on the Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.